Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to give a cartoon effect to an image in Python by utilizing OpenCV. I used Google Colab to write and run the code, but before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. As you might know, sketching or creating a cartoon doesn't always need to be done manually. Nowadays, many apps can turn your photos into cartoon, but what if I tell you that you can create your own effect with few lines of code? So, to create a cartoon effect, we need to pay attention to two things, edge and color palette. Those are what make the differences between a photo and a cartoon. To adjust two main components, there are four main steps we will go through. As you can see, load image, create edge mask, reduce the color palette, combine edge mask with colored image. Before jumping to the main steps, don't forget to import the required libraries in your notebook, especially CV2 and NumPy. So the very first step is loading the image. Define the read file function which includes the CV2 ImShow to load our selected image in Google Colab. Now here, we call the created function to load the image. I choose the image below to transform it into a cartoon. Now to create a mask, commonly a cartoon effect emphasizes on the thickness of edge in an image. We can detect the edge in image by using cv2.adaptive_threshold function. Overall, we can define the edge mask function as here you can see in the code. In that function, we transform the image into grayscale. Then we reduce the noise of blurred grayscale image by using cv2.medium_blur. The larger blur value means fewer black noises appear in the image, and then apply adaptive threshold function and define the size of edges. So a larger line size means the thicker edges that will be emphasized in the image. Okay, so after defining the function, call it and see the result. You will get like this outlining of image, and then we will reduce the color palette. The main difference between photo and drawing in terms of color is the number of distinct colors in each of them. A drawing has fewer color than a photo, therefore use color quantization to reduce the number of colors in the photo. Now to do color quantization, we apply the k-mean clustering algorithm which is provided by OpenCV library. To make it easier, in the next step, we can define color quantization function as follows. We can adjust the k value to determine the number of color that we want to apply to the image. Here I have chosen total color 9 and then applied the color quantization. I used 9 as k value for the image. Now we will apply bilateral filter. After doing color quantization, we can reduce the noise in the image by using bilateral filter. It would give a bit blurred and sharpness reducing effect to the image. There are three parameters that you can adjust based on your preferences. First is D, that is diameter of pixel neighborhood. Second is sigma color. A larger value of parameter means larger area of semi-equal color. Third is sigma space. A larger value of parameter means farther pixel will influence each other as long as their colors are close enough. Now the final step is combining the edge mask that we created earlier with the color processed image. To do so, use the cv2.bitwise and function, and there it is. We can see the cartoon version of original photo below. Now you can start playing around with the codes to create your own version of cartoon effect. Besides the adjusting value in parameters that we used above, you can also add another function from OpenCV to give special effect to your photos. There is still a lot of things in the library that we can explore. So yeah, That's it for this video, guys. If this was any way helpful to you, please like this video and comment down your thoughts or doubts or anything. I would love to hear. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.